Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing this and this. It just came in today, so let's see what we got in here. All right, we got all right. Get over here. Hold on, guys. Let me just get this out. All right. So we got our Monke plush. Nice. All right. So let's go get the cosmetics now. All right. So we got the cupcake, the party hat, and this. All right, is there any more cosmetics in here? I feel like there is more. Hold on, let me just. Okay, all right. I feel like that's all the cosmetics. I do not feel any more. All right, so yeah. That is actually really cool. Now let's open this. Could you open it, please? All right, so my mom's opening it right now. All right, so let's see what we get. All right, we got some stickers. Ooh, I got party hat monkey. All right, so this one is cool. All right. So, yeah. I don't know if you get more cards. I feel like you only get that one. Yeah, you only get one. Look at this. So, yeah. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.